getting my element back in a room. Basi nipata kiduchu. Hey, just something about this song and the way they sampled it, yani inanibamba tu sana. That is Harmonize featuring Kili all the way from the 255. I'm talking about Tanzania. Yani hawa watu, there's a way in which wanaimbianga dem mpaka unasi. Umekuwa ukisikiaje? How do you feel? Mtu akikuimbia mpaka anakuambia I sing this song for you, yani ni wewe.
You know, you feel appreciated, you know, like really? Someone sees me and they acknowledge that I'm important. And I think that's everything we want as women. That's everything.
Really?
Literally, yes.
I think that's somewhere the Tanzanian artists have beaten our artists hands down. Unajua ukisikizanga Timothy
okay, that's
Dusnya. Unajua anasifu dem lakini it's the way he uses his words that is different.
Yes, because words matter at the end of the day. How you say something is very important. Unaweza kuambia mtu something that's actually supposed to make them feel good, but the way you package that information, mtu anakuwa insulted. And I think that's the difference between the Kenyan artists trying to do, you know, love songs, the likes you've mentioned, and our counterparts in Tanzania. Yeah.
But we can see Otile Brown is doing a good job.
Oh, that's a babe.
Hey,
that's a
bro.
babe.
Uko na mimi hapa alafu nageuka ati that's a babe. Guy more than
I'm sorry. That guy is just on another level. Let's just face it. Otile Brown is dope. That man can write songs and he can deliver a song, you know.
Okay, nimekubali, he can write, he can sing. Sisi wengine tunaweza fanya nini? What can we do? Anyway, good people, welcome to the NDIZI Express. This is the official drive show right now on air. Kuna kwingine utapata vibes kama hizi. My good name is Ron Muruka.
And I'm Yvonne Mora.
Yes, tuko ndani ya NDIZI FM ama NDIZI Radio. Your home of good vibes, good music all day, every day, any day. Yeah. Wale wa kubodaboda juu tumekuwa tukiongelea Tanzania.
Yeah.
Have you seen the latest reality TV show?
Yes.
Enye imefeature Diamond Chibude. Aki nani? I'm not hating, siku hate, sijui hata nitasema ni nini. But Chibu Dangote anafaa pewe tu place yake tu, yani umumweke mahali tu akae peke yake.
He is special. Let's just say
he is
special.
He is actually.
Yes.
In every sense.
Yes.
Tunaelewa wa Tanzania, ndugu zetu wa Bongo Dar es Salaam, amuelewi Kiswahili, amuelewi Kizungu, samahani niwie razi. Ila ni lazima kwa sababu in the reality TV show that I'm talking about in it were young African and famous. So Chibu, you know how reality TV shows work. He was fixed with a date with some chick called Nadia from SA, and you know how South Africans are with their English.
Yes.
So they were on a date and then the chick was like, "So Diamond, how old are you?" Chibu akacheka kidogo, you know how you're trying to look sexy for the mama and what's not. Afu akasema, instead of saying I'm unbuttoning my jacket, alisema I'm untying my button. And then kumuuliza how old are you? Why are you taking long to say your age? Afu Chibu akasema, okay, let me just say it, I'm 31st. Dema akamuuliza 31st, akarudia yeah, 31st.
Yes, 31st.
So how old are you?
24th.
24th. Exactly. Nilikuwa nangoja usiseme hivyo. Nije uja get joke. Anyway, remember you can follow us on all our social media platforms, yani naongelea Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, ingine inaitwa Twitter, TikTok, zote.
Yes, we're on TikTok.
Kwa hizo pande zote, mama anafanyanga the TikTok videos and what not, unaweza mpata pale. And our name doesn't change all through these platforms, ni NDIZI Radio. Catch us on our social media platforms, text us, send in your request, mtuambie mnataka kusikiza ngoma gani, kwa sababu you know it's good vibes, good music all day, every day. Mtuambie mnataka kuchezea ngoma gani. But kuongelea kucheza ngoma, there was this time where we had a very strong debate about playing KE music, like 75% Kenyan music. And Eric Omondi was all out, but I felt he was all out anajifanya nikana tetea wasanii, but I felt he wasn't doing it in the right way.
Yes.
I felt he wasn't doing it in the right way. You ask me why, hata kama hujaniuliza, wacha tu niseme. How can you claim to support artists that you are doing this for the future generations to come? You have a following of over 2.5 million people. That's only on Instagram. Tukienda Facebook, bado kuna 1 million and all these other social media platforms. And then you can't even post a song ya an upcoming artist. But unataka kwenda huko nje ujifanye umeshikwa na karau, sijui ati nataka kukesha, sijui how many days. Lakini uongozi nyingine Eric Omondi wachanga kutupima, bro.
Because at the end of the day, what he was doing wasn't really about the artist.
It was
about him.
Exactly.
It was, this is me shedding this spotlight.
It was becoming irrelevant.
Me. Exactly. And he needed that to, pop out again. And that's what he did.
But me never liked his antics, kabisa.
It wasn't okay.
They were too dramatic for no good reason. Zenye hata hazikuwa zinabamba.
But I feel like playing KE music is important. It is important, but also you have to consider who's consuming this music.
Yes.
Am I playing this music for the artists, or am I playing this music for, the listeners? Someone tells me, I want you to play me this song. I'm here to play them that song.
Exactly.
If they don't request for your song, why would I play your song?
Wow. So are you for the Kenyan play KE music 75%, or are you for the let's play what people want?
I am for playing good music, plain and simple. It's good music, we're going to play it. If it's good music, someone will request for it and I will play it.
Speaking of good music, Mami, we want to take a very, very short musical break, but when we're coming back, unajua ni vibes on vibes every day. Ikiwa leo ni Monday, my feelings Monday, we talk about your feelings, wale wameacha, wale wameachana. Yes. Nasikia Shinski on the background featuring Femi One. Wanasema kama wewe ni kienyeji. Basi harakisha njoo. Tunaweza cut sasa.
That song is fire.
Tuanzishi vita tunamaliza. Sema. Vile naifanya sio tunaifanyaga. Yes, hakuna place ingine wanaifanyanga properly kama si NDIZI Radio. This is how we do it each and every day. Good vibes, good music. Na tumekuwa tukiongelea play KE music. We're playing KE music by the way,
yes, this is KE music. Good
KE music.
Wangeka
good KE music instead of just playing KE music.
Not just KE music. Yeah. Because you cannot release trash and expect people to play it.
Really, but we played Gengeton. Was it trash or not?
No, Gengeton has its own, fans. It has a fan base.
Okay.
There are people who identify to Gengeton, so you will play Gengeton.
Are you a fan though?
Oh, of course.
We had a lot of groups at that time. I think it was the 2019 period, before Corona came through to disrupt everything.
Yeah.
Which group was your favorite?
Sailors.
Really?
Yes.
Out of all the groups,
yes,
you had to settle for Sailors.
And then there's
because of Wamlambez.
What can I say?
Oh my God, guy. What can
I say? But there's this particular guy that I like. What was the name of his group?
Benzema. Ochungulo.
No.
Odiwa Muranga.
Ooh, Odi wa Muranga has a voice for
that
days.
reaction. Odi wa Muranga, you can get it, bro. Umeona your reaction? You can get it. Anyway, we have come to the end of the show. Ilikuwa ni NDIZI Express, and you had me as your host, naitwa Ron Muruka.
And I'm Yvonne Mora.
Yes, this is how we do it each and every day. Tupatane tena kesho kuanzia 4 paka jioni 7 in the PM, where we give you good vibes. Na leo ilikuwa ni Monday, my feelings Monday. Tumekuwa tukiongelea feelings zenu, wale wameachwa, wameachana, wale mnasikia style flani. Kai. Huyu aliatbreakiwa juzi, but who am I to say? Anyway, tuonane kesho tena, same place, same time. Don't miss the link, kwa sababu if you miss the link,
yeah, you will not find us. Yeah, it's simple.
hata ungetafuta kitu ina rhyme.
Mimi niko nishamaliza show.
If you miss us